Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying a different camera angle today. I think it is a little lower than ideal position that I want it to be. I should have probably connected my GoPro to Wi-Fi on my phone and made sure the angle was right before I started riding, but it's okay. I'll probably go home after this ride and take a look at how the video looks, and if it is not okay, I will just reshoot the entire video and see how that goes. And I have a new mic as well. I am not sure how well it's recording. The older one I had, the setup didn't work really well, so I got a Purple Panda mic from Amazon and I am recording audio directly on my GoPro, so I have to see how that works. This mic has some good reviews, but I am not sure of the position that I have placed it in my helmet right now. I might have to play around a little more and find an appropriate position, and then see how that goes, because I saw a lot of motovloggers give their review on this specific mic and it really works well for them, so I hope it works well for me too. But I am on an older GoPro. I have a GoPro Hero 4, and according to Purple Panda, this GoPro doesn't need a mic adapter to record. I actually tested it out at home and it recorded fine without an official GoPro mic adapter. I just had to use the TRS adapter for 3.5mm to micro USB connector cable. So I am not sure how well the wind noise is getting blocked out. The Purple Panda fur they provide with the mic is actually pretty good. Anyway, I wouldn't know how it worked right now. I can find it out only after I go home and check it out on my computer, and see how it recorded. I have a GoPro Hero 8 that I ordered as well, that will be arriving next week to my home, so I will connect that to this mic with official GoPro adapter, because based on Purple Panda suggestion, any GoPro after GoPro Hero 5 needs the official GoPro mic adapter for recording audio onto the GoPro directly using the mic. So I have to see how that goes. If this audio quality is not good enough, I have to use the same setting but with the GoPro 8 and the GoPro mic adapter to see if it works well, and then test that out. So that will kind of help to narrow it down. From future videos I will use a helmet mount. The handlebar mount that I had previously was just temporary because I was working on getting the parts for attaching my GoPro on the helmet and set up a proper mount for it. Now I have all the parts I need. I just need to get the ideal position, and on my current Arai helmet I couldn't fix the mount holder at the center of my helmet. That would have been the perfect position, but I put it a little to the right side and used the extender for the mount to bring it to the front so that the helmet is not seen on the actual footage. I will see if I don't like this mounting position. I will try to add another extender and try to bring it more towards the center and see how that goes. Hopefully it should turn out fine, but my only concern right now is the angle of the GoPro. It seems to be pointing little towards the lower part of the horizon rather than to the center. Let's see how it goes and how this mic works. Based on today's outcome, I will decide on what to do next. Also, I have made plans of coming up with a video series for riding tips for beginner motorcycle riders. Based on my experience and how I learned and the right approaches, in my opinion, I will make a series of few videos explaining how to ride on the streets and in traffic and on the highways, and the mentality that a rider should have to stay safe on public roads. So I will probably start recording those videos after I get my GoPro Hero 8, because I want to get a better footage, and the GoPro Hero 8 is far better than the GoPro Hero 4 that I have right now. So once I start recording those videos, I will upload them. And speaking of safety, this is not a safe position for me to be. Behind this truck, you see that moving around. It's way too windy today, and this guy is towing a lot of things. If something comes loose, then I will be in a lot of trouble. So it's better to pass such vehicles rather than go behind them, even if they are riding safely, or even if they are driving safely and everything looks okay. Anything can happen at any moment, so you need to be prepared as a rider, because you are in more danger, because you are on two wheels without any protection around you. So it is your responsibility as a rider to make sure you take as much safety precautions as possible. Anyway, that was one pointer. I hope this video turned out good. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.